Okay, hello everyone. Alright, so before we move on, I want us to get comfortable with the command line a little bit. So don't worry, we're going to get into details, but I want us to just get comfortable a little bit with the command line. Okay, so I'm going to type in a few things. I'm going to type in the command echo and then a space and have two double quotations, and in between the double quotations I'm going to type in a string, which is really just a couple of characters or a bunch of characters just together. The string could be anything. I'm just going to type "we're learning Unix" and then hit enter. Before I hit enter, echo is a command that basically displays what is in between the double quotations, so the string. So when I hit enter, echo just displayed what I put in between the double quotations. I'm going to go ahead and type in something else, but before let's go ahead and type in something else. So echo in double quotations, I'm going to type in hello and hit enter. So echo just basically displays what's in the string. These double quotations could also be single quotations. You could surround strings with single quotations as well. You could use the up and down arrow key to go through the history of what you've typed. So this is the last thing I typed. If I hit the up arrow key, it goes to "we're learning Unix." Now I can then use the left and right arrow keys to go through what I just typed, and I can modify it. I can say "we're learning Unix" again, and then I don't have to go all the way to the end of the line. I could move the cursor anywhere in the line and hit enter, and echo will basically display the string again. I could use Control A, so Control A to go to the beginning of the line, but before that let me have something on the line. So I'm going to hit the up arrow key to go through the history of what I typed. So I'm going to bring up the last thing I typed. Notice the cursor is over here. I'm going to use Control A to take it to the beginning of the line, and if I want to go to the end of the line, I can use Control E to go to the end of the line. And then I could also use tab. By the way, let me hit enter to display this. So I'm going to use tab for autocomplete. By the way, we're going to get into detail of all of this. But say I want to Unix to autocomplete some of the commands for me. So I'm going to type in L and hit tab. The first time I get some kind of prompt, I don't know if you heard it, but either it's going to be some sound or it's going to be a flash of the screen. But it's saying, hey, hold on. There are so many things that begin with an L. If I hit the tab again for the second time, it shows me all the commands that begin with an L. So it's basically saying, hey, what do you want me to complete for you? There's so many things that begin with an L. So I'm going to narrow it down. I'm going to type in LS. Notice over here. And I'm going to hit tab. I'm telling Unix autocomplete this for me. So when I hit tab, I get that sound or flash again. Hit tab for the second time, and it's saying, okay, these are the things that begin with LS. Which one do you want me to autocomplete for you? So I'm going to narrow it down to LSM. So notice these are the only two that begin with LSM. So I'm going to type in LSM over here and hit tab. I get that sound or flash of the screen. In my case, I'm getting a sound. Maybe you're getting a flash. And hit tab again, and it's narrowing it down to two things and saying, hey, there are two things that begin with LSM. Which one do you want? So now I have the option to either type it directly, either type LSM or type LSMP. So autocomplete can be nice. We'll get more into it. Don't worry about it. I just want you to get a little bit comfortable with the command line. And lastly, not lastly, but one of the last few things, if you want to clear your screen, I'm going to get rid of this LSM. You can type in the command clear and hit enter to command that clears your screen. Or I'm just going to go through the history and bring back a few things. Echo, we're learning Unix again. Or you can use command K on some command prompt to clear your screen and the scroll back. So command K will clear it as well. And if you want to log out, we've seen this before. You could just close it. You could use command Q to close it. You could try to close it from here as well, from the terminal as well, or you could use exit, the command exit, and exit will log us out. So notice it says log out from the session, and I'm going to close the terminal. So that's it. I wanted us to get comfortable with the command line before moving on. We're going to go into details of that, but if you have any questions, please post down below and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Alright then, bye bye.